how you can operate your Panasonic TV without a remote. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, almost all Panasonic TVs have physical buttons either on the side, the bottom, or the back of the TV. You can use these buttons to turn the TV on or off, change the volume, switch channels, and even open the menu. Find the power button to turn the TV on. Use the volume plus and volume down buttons to adjust the sound. Use the channel up and channel down buttons to switch channels. Look for a menu or input button to access settings and change inputs. If you want more control, you can also use your smartphone. Download the Panasonic TV Remote app available on both Android and iOS. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Panasonic TV Remote, install the app, and open it. Connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Now you can control your TV just like with a real remote. Another easy option is using a universal remote. You can buy one online or at any electronics store. Then set it up by following the included instructions. And that's it. That's how you can operate your Panasonic TV without a remote.